explorers! Today's craft with Mermaid Talulah is a mermaid bracelet. Look at this shell bracelet I've made. I can't wait to show you how I've made it, and it's simple because all you need is a pipe cleaner and some beads. Now I have these beautiful mermaid themed beads that I got from Amazon. You could get the same ones that I've got, or you could use bits of paper and make some holes in it. So I will also show you what you could do with these, but I just wanted to show you how simple it was. So you're going to need a pipe cleaner. If you'd like to make a necklace, you could use two, but I'm going to make a bracelet. So you need a pipe cleaner, some beads if you have some, or you could make some pretty paper shapes. So I'll show you what I'm going to do with that first. Please get a grown-up to do the bit with the cutting. So I've made my lovely shape and I'm going to cut it here. And now I'm going to thread through the pipe cleaner, just like that. I like using pipe cleaners because they're super simple for tiny mermaid hands. Also, you could get quite big beads and thread it through. And I like the pipe cleaners because it holds the beads in place really well. I find if you use the normal bracelet twine, it can be a little bit tricky. I'm going to build it up symmetrically. Do you know what symmetry is? It means it's the same on both sides. So I'm going white, stripy purple, and then I'm going to do dark purple on each side, and then I can see mermaid tail beads, so I'm going to use the mermaid tail beads as well. These make wonderful gifts for our friends and families. Push it through. Look at that mermaid tail, it looks so good. And I've got another mermaid tail to make it symmetrical. The same on both sides. Now, you don't have to make it symmetrical. I'm going to go with green next. You don't have to make it symmetrical, but that's what I've chosen to do with my bracelet. Is this big enough? As you keep going, keep measuring it against the person whose bracelet it's going to be. I think I need 2 more beads, so I'm going to go with the pearl ones. Aren't they beautiful? And just to make it extra special, I'm going to put pearl stickers on the actual bit where the pearl is. Look, doesn't that look lovely? And then I'm going to do it with the other one. There we go. Pearl sticker in the centre where the pearl is. Oh, slide it through. Oh, this one's a bit tight, but it seems as though you don't need very big holes to get the pipe cleaner through because of how a pipe cleaner is made. Look at that, my beautiful mermaid shell bracelet. And I'm just going to tie it around my arm. And all you need to do is go twist, twist, and then tuck it in. Just be a little bit careful because the ends of a pipe cleaner can be a little bit sharp. And there you have it. I've now got 2 wonderful shell bracelets. Oh, I need to make this one a bit smaller. I've now got 2 wonderful shell bracelets to share with my friends. And I can use it when I'm dressing up as a beautiful mermaid. Thank you so much for watching. If you've loved Craft with Mermaid Talulah, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more Supernova Kids adventures. Thanks for watching. Bye!